Before starting the installation, make sure that all accessories are complete and that the lock's battery level is sufficient. First, place the inner lock onto the door and carefully tighten the 2 inner lock screws using a screwdriver. Next, insert the cylinder and secure it with a screwdriver. Then position the front panel and gently route the front handle cable toward the back. Carefully pass the front handle cable through the rear connection bracket. Place the connection bracket according to the selected inner lock and secure it with 2 screws using a screwdriver. Insert the square spindle into the inner lock. After that, connect the 5-pin and 4-pin sockets on the front panel to the corresponding 5-pin and 4-pin sockets on the rear panel, paying attention to their orientation. Once the rear panel is in place, tighten the 3 fixing screws to secure it. Insert the battery and the LCD panel. Finally, test the lock and unlock buttons to ensure that the installation has been completed correctly and smoothly.